it's me, Queen C, and yes, I'm vlogging. So this is our trip to Charlotte. It's a bonus video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. In the eye in the corner, tell me, do you want more like trip videos, because I will be going on spring break soon. We have no idea where to go, so comment down below places we should go. And yes, so without further ado, let me get into the video.
I don't look that dark though. Not really. I like an okay color.
Oh, can't see the phone.
Who made this? I don't understand what you just said. Here's your phone back.
I didn't record like. Hello. So we're going to Charlotte, yes, and it's like a couple hours away, so we're going to Charlotte. And yeah, I'm gonna pack my planner and my YouTube notebook, and that's basically it, because I really want to start working while I'm in our trip in the car and stuff. I just want to get my work done, and that's basically it. Yeah, we're about to go. I'm so excited.
There's trees and we painted.
Want to say hey? So guys, we're at my grandma's house in Charlotte, yay. We're about to make a bunch of arts and crafts and bake, because I'm a baker. And yeah, stuff, people. I've been listening to like Camila for like the whole entire trip. Straight through her Havana and Never Be the Same. Never Be the Same now. Hi guys, so it's a couple hours later. We went to go eat lunch. And we got the video up from yesterday, the bonus video. And then probably when we get home, I'm going to film Monday's video. And yeah, we've been out. We're gonna make this like stuffed bunny thing. So we've been getting stuff for that too. It's me, Kteen, and welcome to my grandma Shirley's kitchen. Today we will be baking some Mississippi mud. Without further ado, let's go introduce our bakers.
Good afternoon. My name is Grandma Shirley. I'm here with Queen C, my fourth granddaughter, and we're getting ready to make Mississippi mud pie. I'm so glad to have my granddaughter here with me today as we make a great dessert together today.
I'm one of Grandma Shirley's granddaughters. I just chopped up the pecans, and let's go see what Grandma Shirley's doing.
Right now, I am melting the butter for the Mississippi mud. Okay, when you add your stuff, you add a little bit at a time. I just added 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. Sometimes when a recipe does call for salt, I add less than what it calls for. When you're pouring your flour, you should go a little bit slow at first while you're mixing, so your flour will not fly all over the place till it's all gathered together. Then you can move on a little bit faster. Now I'm going to have my granddaughter Queen C come, and she's gonna stir for a little while. Mississippi mud pie does not take no baking powder or anything like that. So you got your eggs, you got your flour. This is not going to really rise because it's more like a brownie texture, Mississippi mud.
So right now she's adding in the pecans.
After baking 25 minutes, we're gonna come back and add the marshmallows.
Right now we're going to be making some bunny rabbits made out of socks, and we actually use men's tube socks. We are back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did.